dogs, I know. But usually they at least have like a somewhat clean ventilation department. This is just a look at what is going on here. This is maybe almost as much for my reference as yours. I have another one of those. Oh, Furby. I'm looking for talking toys right now. Let's play with this. I don't even know what it does. Toss it in that bin. But there's more of those play school keyboards. I've got a number of those, if you like. The SK10. This guy is pretty cool, and it's the only one that I've got. Saving that for a rainy day. Found that up in Rockford many, many years ago. Just buried in some boxes of other junk. I almost thought this was like an SA2 equivalent, but I don't think it is. I can't remember what that one is equivalent to. Oh, and then we've got one of these guys. I found another one of these recently. I guess I should probably add it to that box. Let them be pals. Batteries out for etiquette. Alright, well there's some more talking stuff. I'm not interested in adding the touch and tell, as many as I have of these guys. As they are sort of a pain. Ooh, that Barbie. Oh boy. Alright, we're going to play with this, but it's probably going to have to be done something with on its own, because the body style factors in so much. Ooh, we got another Barbie film. That's nice. Man, 2 glitching Barbies would be pretty kick-ass. That, okay. Again, this clock says 420, which is nice. I mean, it says all the times, but make for a nice sample. Ooh, we got a little yak back in here. Speak and read. I've got a number of these. There's a lot of stuff that I've collected up with the intention of doing, you know, a whole line of similarly bent ones, so I can order all the parts at the same time. But there's a lot of one-offs and other stuff that I should probably just go through and trim the fat, and that's sort of what we're doing, but we're looking for it with various talking toys. This is kind of some drum-oriented stuff. Buzz Lightyear, I want to say. Sent one of these to Toy Death. That's a fun one. Not sure about this. This looks pretty kick-ass, and I would love to adapt this for contact mics that could be attached to something. Anyway, I'll put that aside. Basically reroute the piezos inside. Bent one of these once before it died. Dan Demchuk, I think I'd seen bent one of these, and it was pretty cool. We were trying to use it as a tip jar for CMKT4 for a while, but then it went kaput. It's so bulky, I think I got rid of the other one. Don't see that one too often. It has a Winnie the Pooh voice, but does kind of just like a dreamy electronic glitch out, which is very nice, but not what we're looking for today. Bear drum. Cute. This thing is cool. What is this? The Dynamite, I want to say. Yeah. There's another one of these somewhere. This is something I remember Mike Hancock playing and cracking me the fuck up just doing what he was doing. It was like a live dub set, basically, but we were just giggling the whole time. In this tent, I want to say this was, oh gosh, what would that have been? An event that Reed organized, where we were all together. Was it the Be-In? Yeah, it was the Be-In. A hell of a lot of these kicking around in some form or another. I had one I was working on. I don't know. I might want to replace the what's there with like the one that's on the cabinet with one of these, because it doesn't seem as glitchy as some other ones that I observed, or maybe I'm just not making the right connections. But this one went into stasis, whatever. All right, well, there's Barney, and he's open. Oh, there's some other fun stuff in there. This is coming from me. Bunch of white noisemakers, a happy apple, and a talking whiz kid again. A lot of the talking whiz kids. All right, those are plastic housings from Golden Books, which I want to do something else with. Those look like they're all talking whiz kids, so I'm just going to leave that alone. Quite what we're looking for here either. Just looking at what we got. Dose of them. Speak and math. Speak and read. This I haven't seen much elsewhere. I think from Tomera maybe. Touch and Tell Library. Some of the vocab cards. A couple more Touch and Tells. One of these guys. Nothing that we're after. All this stuff has a lot of, like, assuming excess real estate inside. And there's like only one of them where they're not talking. So we're thinking again about this thing and what we're going to put in there. Got a couple of pieces that I'm considering as panels. If I use this one, I'll want to cut that so we get the nice Olison. Let's look at that. This one's kind of awesome in that it sort of fits perfectly already. Looks kind of nice, but doesn't quite cover all the way. There's a lot of empty space in here, so I want to mount, I think, a couple of talking whiz kids, which is what's inside of here, off of a button, which is the soft start there. A lot of these bends I got from Daniel Parks, so I probably shouldn't publish them all. I'll talk to him about it. So in the interim, I did want to show you this big talking bingo, which I opened up, thinking that it might end up inside of here, but I think it's sort of dependent on staying in its own case. Let's see.
Let's play bingo. Press play.
All right, so because the issue is these leads from the membrane are forced down to the board by the housing, so to keep them sort of in contact with it, you have to have the case closed and screwed together.
Jam begins with J.
All right, so let's see if we can hit play here.
Find the cat. Cat begins with C.
All right, we're gonna hold this with my knees. After I do love this in that it has a sample.
That's the jam.
That's the jam.
Try again. Find the cat.
Let's actually tell it a cat.
You're right. That's the cat. Cat. Let's play big.
I marked a couple of spots on there that I thought I was getting to this thing to glitch with.
Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. Press. Let's play. Let's play.
go.
Let Pat play bingo.
Oh,
Let's play bingo.
I ripped this out of
Press
a
play.
project that I think will no longer be happening. This is like a 200 ohm slider. So maybe if we probe with that, I might have some luck. I gotta trim the end so we got a little probe. All right, let's see what we can do here.
Let's play bingo. Press play.
Okay.
Find the lamp. Lamp begins with L.
Oh my God, this is so slow going because I can, let's see, find something else. And also having this, oh, let's just reset and see what happens here.
Let's play bingo. Press play.
All right.
Let's play bingo.
All right, so let's try again.
Let's play.
Okay, didn't quite short it. That seemed to be interesting.
Let's play bingo. Let's play S. Let's play
All right.
Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. Press play. Find Alice. Alice begins with A. That's a T. Let's play bingo.
So just shy of shorting, it
Let's play
seems to be doing
bingo.
interesting stuff. So some freezes, some glitches. That's fun. So
Let's play bingo. Press.
let's see here. This would be pin 1 because the IC is oriented that way. So that's what leg.
Let's play
1,
Bingo.
2, 3, 4,
Press
5, 6, 7. 7 and 11. All right.
Find the X-ray. Let's play bingo. Press play.
That sounded promising. Possibly. Oops.
Let's play bingo. Press play.
That was definitely something there.
Let's play. That's press play. On. Let's play T.
Let's try these two now.
Let's play bingo. Press play.
Not too much going on there. So, but this guy.
Let's Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. Press play. Find the violin. Find Snuffy. Snuffy begins with S.
Oh my god.
That's Ernie. Try again. Find Snuffy. Find the icicle.
Heard that one. Hell yeah. Alright, so that's Big Bird's Talking Bingo. Try some other. Okay, so another thing that has occurred to me is that it would appear as though positive voltage is actually what we're looking at here for pins 7 and 11. And 10 would appear to be the positive speaker channel. Is it messing with positive voltage to the chip that causes the issues here? I'm curious, because there's a couple different interesting ideas here. I mean, we've got the fact that it goes to the chip in both of these spots. If somehow we could put that on a switch, might be interesting. Just to see if that screws with anything. And we could try to voltage starve it as well. Messing with this didn't seem to do a whole lot of anything, although we could try. Let's see. And what would that be anyway, if we were messing around with positive voltage to... Actually, was that... What the hell were do a whole lot of anything. Well, all the pins that are related to this stuff seem to be devoted to switching. That's how I was triggering certain sounds on there. I think remaining attached to the membrane is key. There's the negative speaker terminal. What would happen if we messed with that? Okay.
Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play. Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. Press play. Play. Press Y.
That also messes with it.
Let me play bingo. Press play. Let's play. Let's play bingo. Y first. Let's play Y. Umbrella. Play.
Okay.
Let's play. Press play. Play. Let's play bingo. Press play.
Hmm.
Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. Press play. Let's play bingo. A. Play.
All right, so that's essentially what pin
It's 5 p.m.
12. Hmm? No. Yeah, because if we were looking at it from the other side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 12. these two right next to each other, feeding back to positive voltage. Yeah, I am curious to just see what would happen if we cut that positive voltage there and put it on a switch, and what the fuck would happen. Also, probably an easier one would be to just try to put some resistance in the positive voltage. I don't think doing it to ground would make sense. But choking, yeah, let's try choking off the positive voltage with some resistance before the board. Let's see what happens. Some items I thrifted. Corningware percolator. Not too bad a deal on that, considering I can probably get some dough for it. This guy. I'm taking a poke on this. It's kind of busted. Wondering if it talks or what. Hadn't seen it before. Definitely has that early 90s look. Mid 90s perhaps, not dated. We'll see. I'll off to a rough start here. Also, there's screws to take off these feet. And the battery compartment is shit. Oh.
Hello, how are you? I'm Telly the Talking Clock. Let's play a game. Please find 205. Please find 2. Please find 205.
Oh, seriously?
Good. Please find 940. Move my hands, and I'll tell you the time. Hello. 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 How are you? I'm Telly the Talking Clock. Move my hands, and I'll tell you the time. Now it's 4:20.
So I'm shorting the pitch resistor or the 50K resistor. That's my clock over there, by the way. Little sprout. I'm not really getting, like, it just wants to stop and then lock up. I think a capacitor needs to be reset or discharged to get it, like, unlocked. But I'm not really getting the impression that there's, like, a pitch glitch threshold. I'm trying, but we'll see. Okay, so let's see here. This is cranked about all the way, and it cycles through real fast. I'm gonna disconnect one of these legs. Okay, so a little shorter than normal. It's
Please find 5:20.
okay, yeah. And now that's it. So, and it doesn't seem to like. Oh, it worked this time.
Hello, how are you? I'm
Yeah, okay. So it doesn't seem to want to just reset some of the times, but I want to say by shorting this cap here, it seems to unlock it when it gets locked up. We'll see. Perhaps not. Try shorting some more caps here. All right, let's see if that does anything.
Hello, how are you? I'm Telly
Back
the
this off.
Talking Clock.
My sentiments exactly.